Hello friends, welcome in Learning Studio. I am D. Vivek. In this video, we are going to learn some important English proverbs. Friends, you know we use proverbs in our day-to-day conversation. Proverbs are also used in writing family letters. In story writing also, proverbs are used to give title or to tell the moral of the story. In different competitive examinations and even in SSC board examination, proverbs are asked. So friends, let's practice some important English proverbs.
संकटकाळी उपयोगी पडतो तोच खरा मित्र. A friend in need is a friend indeed. वेळेवर घातलेला एक टाका 9 टाके वाचवितो. A stitch in time saves 9. प्रामाणिकपणा हा सर्वोत्तम गुण आहे. Honesty is the best policy. इच्छा तेथे मार्ग. Where there is a will, there is a way. बाप तसा बेटा, like father, like son. नाचता येईना अंगण वाकडे. A bad workman blames his tools. उक्तीपेक्षा कृती श्रेष्ठ. Actions speak louder than words. यथा राजा तथा प्रजा. As the king, so are the subjects. बुडत्याला काडीचा आधार. A drowning man catches at a straw. करावे तसे भरावे. As you sow, so you reap. रिकामे भांडे खनखनाट फार. An empty vessel makes much noise. चकाकते ते सगळे सोने नसते. All that glitters is not gold. वासरात लंगडी गाय शहाणी. A figure among ciphers. हजीर तो वजीर. Bones for the latecomers. भुंकणारी कुत्री चावत नसतात. Barking dogs seldom bite. अंथरूण पाहून पाय पसरावेत. Cut your coat according to the cloth. गाढवाला गुळाची चव काय. Casting pearls before a swine. बाळाचे पाय पाळण्यात दिसतात. Child is the father of a man. वराती मागून घोडे. A doctor after death. रिकामे डोके सैतानाचे घर. An empty mind is devil's workshop. 4 दिवस सासूचे, 4 दिवस सुनेचे. Every dog has its day. दिव्याखाली अंधार. Every light has its shadow. दुरून डोंगर साजिरे. Distance lends enchantment to sight. प्रामाणिकपणा हा सर्वोत्तम गुण आहे. Honesty is the best policy. जगा आणि जगू द्या. Live and let live. आरोग्य हीच संपत्ती. Health is wealth. बळी तो कानपिळी. Might is right. गरज ही शोधाची जननी आहे. Necessity is mother of invention. थेंबे थेंबे तळे साचे. Many a little makes a mickle. एकी हेच बळ. Union is strength.
I am sure you must have subscribed this channel. If not, subscribe it to get more videos. Thank you, friends.